Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Love coming out of you makes you happy. The whole world can love you, but that's not the love that'll make you happy. What will make you happy is to share all the love you have inside of you. That is the love that'll make the difference. Happy Valentine's Day, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 253, NASDAQ up 130, S&P's up 36. Percentage-wise, what you have is this. You have the Dow up 1%, NASDAQ up 1.8, S&P's up 1.4. If we go over and we take a look at inside the NDX 100, what you're going to see out here is the price spreads out here were pretty amazing, folks, intraday. So what we had at the open of the market out here today, you had the CPI come out. The NQs, they were trading at a price point of 65.94. You know, big number. They were trading at highs right before 8:30. They plunged when the CPI came out down to 64.56. And then just took off like a rocket ship from that particular point. So when you talk about spreads out here, this is pretty amazing. 64.56 was your low out here. Your high was 66.90. You know, we're talking about 240 points, 240 NASDAQ points. That is one big number. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps. You're going to see the same type of setup inside the S&Ps from the beginning of the trading today to the close. The S&Ps this morning, we're trading at 26.75. We traded down to 26.27. And bottom line, you traded up to 27.01. That is one monster move. You're talking about 76 points. And if we go into the Dow Industrials, you're going to see that type of move inside the Dow. That should equate to about 750 points, actually. The Dow, the low of the Dow, I see the low of the Dow today was 24,490. Bottom line is that you're at 24,008. Well, we hit a high of 24,925. So that's about 450 points inside the Dow Industrials. Big numbers all over the place. Russell 2000 also up 25 points, 1521. And as we come down all this list, folks, what you're going to see, the commodities took off like a rocket ship out here today. That was all about the U.S. dollar as well as the yen. The U.S. dollar basically was getting toasted, getting sold all day. The yen was getting bought all day. The yen was getting stronger. In fact, we just broke the 107 level. Right now, you're at 106.98. That yen looks like it's going to trade down to the 100 mark. The gold contract up $24. $13.54. Silver also caught a bid. Silver up 31 cents, $16.84. Oil up $1.49. Now, oil's a counter-trend bounce. Oil had shot volume on the way up. We're at 60.68. That can go a little bit higher. Copper also caught a monster bid, up 7 cents, $3.23 a pound. Light sweet, the note market, note is down. Let's go to the 10-year right now. We're at 120.11. And we take a look at this 10-year. In fact, I'm going to put the 10-year on a continuous contract so we can see what we're looking at here. So we're at 120. We broke out of the consolidation of the last 5 days. We take a look at this and put this on. Oh, I need the continuous contract. Give me that continuous contract. There we go. Okay, so now we get the continuous contract. Okay, so 117's game. We're at 120 right now. 117 is game, and that 117, last time we were there, folks, was in 2011. If we do take a look at the yields out here, you're going to see those yields move. You know, we're that close to 3%. We're going to hit the 3%. And I just want to see if how fast this move has been. It's a good one. The low for the last 12 months has been 2%. Right now, we're at 2.9. So when you look at that, right, what does that mean? That means that in the course of 12 months, Bottom line is that you've gone up 50% in the yield. Big number. Big, big number. No two ways about that. King dollar is just toast, man. That King dollar just can't handle it. Some of the numbers after the close. Let's go take a look at TripAdvisor. We get lots of numbers that are coming out. TripAdvisor closed at a price point of $40.72. That's trading up $9 right now. This has been a dog. Bottom line is that, you know, you're off a low of 29. You're at 40. $9 is going to get you, let's see. They must have something good inside there. $49 is going to get you, there it is, yeah. So the downdraft of 2016, $50. $50.59 is the number. Let's see what TripAdvisor had to say. So, okay. They're going to buy back $250 million worth of stock. The revenue projection on the fourth quarter was $309 million. They took in $321. They earnings per share. It's interesting, man. So the earnings per share is down. The estimate was 14 cents. They only took in 6 cents. We'll see what's underneath that. The revenue is the big number. That the revenue is up 3.6%. Cisco. Let's go take a look at CSCO and see what Cisco has to say. Cisco closed at $42.09. Cisco is trading at $44.30. And Cisco does look to be like it can take out these highs. Well, actually, it's taking them out right now. You can see that Cisco was pushing higher with volume all day long today. You know, we did 41 million shares. Your high, which we were right next to, was 23 million. That is taking it out. It has volume behind the move. So look at this. Cisco is, well, they're boosting their buyback to 25 billion. 25 billion. That's a big number, man. Now, but what does happen with Cisco, if you want to see something that's bizarre, they have 4.5 billion shares outstanding. 4.5 billion. So they got lots of shares outstanding, folks. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. We had the Dow Industrials finish up 253, NASDAQ up 130, S&P's up 35. We're coming right back.